Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a Halloween skull. It's going to be one of many. So there's a skull playlist because there's many different ways to draw a skull. And that's pretty much it. Okay, it's going to be simple though for beginners, this lesson. And let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with like a circle. Kind of like a balloon shape. If you guys can do that. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the cheekbone area on the left side. I'm gonna go over here and then do the try to mirror that shape right here on the right. Downward for kind of the tooth cylinder. Downward here for the tooth cylinder. Bump, 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 bump. Many bumps here for kind of the upper teeth there. All right. Curve up like an L shape for kind of the left side there. Curve up over here for the right side of the, the eye cavity. Whoops. For the orbital bone. Pulling up here. Pulling up here. Line up. Line up. Pulling down, up. Making a little bit of a face, even though it makes no sense anatomically. Down over here, up. A little bit of a furrow in the brows, like her. Curve here. Curve here. Right on. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fill this area in. I'll fill it in there. Just fill the whole thing in. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy about it. Just kind of fill it in. If you have a pencil, obviously it might be easier, to be honest, because you're using the side of the pencil, but I'm using a marker. It's easy. Let's go over here this side, fill this side in. Curve over here on the right, curve over here on the left, up, up, triangle, curve underneath, like a heart shape almost, but that's going to be the kind of nasal cavity right there. Going to fill that in as well. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like Halloween. It's just good stuff, helps the channel out as well. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a dimple right there. There's a dimple kind of in the area of the kind of that area of the skull where muscles kind of you see it a lot in different kind of animated skulls and stuff. I'm gonna go down here now and I'm gonna draw the lower jaw. Curve underneath, like curve, not curve, angle. And a straight line at the bottom here. Boom, boom, boom. And now you have that lower row of teeth. And it's kind of floating out. Very similar, very stylistic. But I am going to change that. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to go line. And I'm going to fill that area in. This is a little stylized as well because I'm not drawing like the whole jaw on there. Just going to do this. Okay. And now we're thinking about texture of the skull. So line here. Curve line over here on the left eye. Curve line here to the right eye. Or line up. Kind of the gum line there is going to be these little folds or whatever. Right on. here, line over here, curve line under this, curve line under this. Fill this out. Fill this out. It's kind of giving it a little bit of dark at the bottom. I like doing that because I feel like it gives the whole thing a little bit of gravitas, a little bit of stability of the drawing. When you do, like, just thicken out some of the lines here at the bottom, everything that'd be at the bottom. So underneath the cheek right here. Maybe even the sides over here. Like so. Maybe a couple of lines here at the couple of lines here along the forehead. And you know, I'm gonna draw a line right there from the cheekbone to kind of give it a little bit more I don't know. Again, just give it more stability. The cool part is with skulls, you can change so much, and it can help out so much. So just kind of stay aware of that, you know. Whew. All right, and that's mostly it. Might add another little triangle here for this point, because on the side of the skull there is kind of some dark points right there. There's a muscle that comes in from the back, but yeah, obviously, you know, this is not an anatomically correct skull. It is a kind of a large. She has like a super large cranium. But let's throw some Halloween elements in here. So let's throw a crack. Something like that, right? Think of it like a lightning bolt. Like that lightning bolt there. There you go. Right on. And that's pretty cool, honestly. I like the cracks on that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Share the video, by the way, if you do want to help the channel out. Absolutely share it with somebody you think they might like it, or just kind of post it anywhere. Post it on Twitter or Reddit or anything like that, and that would I would really appreciate that. That'd be amazing. Thanks so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon. Don't forget to check out, if you want to learn drawing in general, by the way, go check out sketchingeasy.com. I have a beginner lesson for anyone that has never drawn in their life. Go check that lesson out. It's free. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.